Ahoy there! Bone Framework comes with its own Docker development environment. So if you've got Docker installed, you can type in Docker machine env, take that IP address, and you want to put that into your etc/hosts. Put in the domain name awesome.scot. Obviously, for every terminal, you run eval docker machine env. Then let's get the project. So just clone it down from github.com/delboy1978 UK/bone framework. And then tell it which folder to put it in this case, my site. That copies that in there. And so if you cd into the project, probably the first thing you'll want to do is remove the .git folder and create a new one, git init, since it's going to be your own project. That's you ready to go, so you can now say docker compose up and it will start your development server. There it is, that's it up and running. If you open another tab, once again, for every tab you need to do that eval docker machine env command. Then you can type in docker compose exec, and the name of the container is php, and the command we want is bin bash. Do that and you will be inside your Linux Docker development environment, in which case you can run Composer installed, and that's you ready to rock. So if you go into the browser, you'll be able to go to awesome.scot because you added that IP into your etc hosts. Also, if you go to port 8025, you'll notice that it also comes with a copy of MailHog.